Good morning, students. Today we will do question number 7 of exercise 13.1. So see the question. It is given that Shanti Sweet Stall was placing an order for making cardboard boxes for packing their sweets. Two sizes of boxes were required. The bigger of dimensions 25 centimeter into 20 into 5 centimeter, and the smaller of dimensions 15 centimeter into 12 into 5 centimeter. For all the overlaps, 5% of the total surface area is required extra. If the cost of the cardboard is rupees 4 for 1000 centimeter square, find the cost of cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes of each kind. So, according to the question, two types of boxes are to be made, and the numbers are 250 boxes of each kind. So there are two types of sweet boxes, one of bigger size and the other is of smaller size. And as you all have seen, the sweet box overlaps are there so that it can be covered properly, and for that overlap 5% of the total surface area is required extra. So let us first find out the total surface area of the two boxes. So let's see the bigger box. The dimensions given are length equals to 25 centimeter, breadth 20 and height 5 centimeter. So the total surface area of one box will be equal to twice LB plus BH plus LH. So just put the values here. When you put it, you will get it as equal to 1450 centimeter square. Just put the values of L, B and H according to the formula. Now the smaller box. The dimensions of the smaller box is length 15 centimeter, breadth 12 centimeter and height 5 centimeter. So the total surface area of one box, means one smaller box, will be, again the formula will be the same, twice LB plus BH plus LH. So put these values here. When you put it, you will get it as equal to 630 centimeter square. So the total surface area of 250 boxes of each kind, means we have to the order has been given for 250 boxes for a bigger and the smaller box. So total surface area of 250 boxes of each kind will be equal to 250 multiplied by the total surface area of the bigger box, one bigger box and one smaller box. So that is equal to what we have found out, 1450 plus 630, that is equal to 2080. So when you multiply this with 250, you will get it as 5,20,000 centimeter square. So this is the total surface area of 250 boxes of 250 boxes of bigger size as well as the smaller size. Now according to the question, for overlaps 5% extra of total surface area is required. So we will, for overlap, we will find out the 5% of this total. We have found out as 5,20,000 centimeter square. So just find out the 5% of 5,20,000. So it will be 5 by 100 into 5,20,000. 0 will get cancelled. Multiply by 5, we will get it as 26,000 centimeter square. Means for total 500 boxes, for overlap 26,000 centimeter square extra cardboard is required. Now the total area of cardboard required will be equal to 5,20,000 plus 26,000, which is the overlap, that is equal to 5,46,000 centimeter square. Now the question is, cost of cardboard is 4 rupees per 1000 centimeter square. So what will be the cost for this much cardboard? So if it is 4 per 1000 centimeter square, means 4 by 1000 into 5,46,000. When you multiply, you will get it as rupees 2,184. So this is the required answer. Now let us see question number 8. Parveen wanted to make a temporary shelter for her car by making a box-like structure with tarpaulin that covers all the four sides and the top of the car, with the front face as a flap which can be rolled up. Assuming that the stitching margins are very small and therefore negligible, how much tarpaulin would be required to make the shelter of height 2.5 meter, with base dimensions 4 meter into 3 meter. Means simple, it is there that a shelter for her car, she has to make a shelter for her car. So to make the shelter of the car, what do we need? What does she need? The area of the 4 walls, means the area of the 4 walls around the car, and the upper part, the roof part, isn't it? Because the base will be not covered, you cannot cover the base part. So for this, how much what will be the area required? How much will be the cloth required to make the shelter? It will be area of the 4 walls plus area of the roof. So the dimensions given are length 4 meter, breadth 3 meter, and height 2.5 meter. So tarpaulin required to make the shelter will be equal to area of 4 walls, means lateral surface area, plus area of roof, that is equal to twice L plus B into H plus LB. Just put this in the formula. Just you will write down 2 into 4 plus 3 into 2.5 plus 4 into 3, that is equal to 35 plus 12, that is 47 meter square. So children, for today this much, and please practice similar types of sums from R.S. Agarwal also. Thank you.